AS Modify Battery Health without flashing is coming. Here we need to use ASFC01 and 11 to 15 Pro Max battery efficiency pop-up adapter, an original battery removed from another phone, and an original battery with well-translated cell. The battery life of this 12 Pro is only 84% after transplanting battery cell. Let's take a look at how we fix it. Shut down the phone. Remove the original battery with well-transplanted cell. Install the original battery removed from another phone. After booting up the phone, there is a battery pop-out window. Run diagnostics to remove the battery pop-out window. Following the diagnostic steps, after running diagnostics with the original battery removed from another phone, power on FC01 and buckle the battery efficiency adapter on FC01. Connect the adapter to the phone with the flex cable. Flex cable soldering diagram is as follows. Buckle the original battery with well-transplanted cell on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Modify the battery health data and cycle times. Start repairing. Boot up the phone. Shut down the phone and reboot it. There is a pop-out window with the original battery with well-transplanted cell. Start running diagnostics. Following the diagnostic steps, successful modify the battery efficiency without flashing. Install it into mobile phone.